What the fuck? You 3D printed? Wait, you're so talented, Alex. That's fucking sick. You can make your own figures. I have no life. Dude, I just stopped watching Bleach. I'm not gonna lie. I watched a shit ton. I watched till like the arc where they like go to the other realm or some shit like that. I don't know. I'm getting the rice. Hello, I'm back. Just start the new season and Bleach should be fine. I feel like I watched enough to understand. Okay. Thanks so much for following Superbad.
Thank you.
My heart. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. God, my heart. Yeah, I also printed Iron Man Batman, but then you still pay. That's so cool. I want to make my own figures. Wait, I'm dead to you, sis? Just forgive me, I'm sorry. My rice. I sometimes like going to the arcades. Depends though.
We can't.
Wait, can't. I put my curry directly into my rice cooker so it's less work to clean. I got on the cow. Hajime no Ippo, what's that about? I'm good, thanks. Woke up a few minutes ago. Good morning. Holy shit, that's so early. Is that normal for you? That's so fucking early. I'm trying to get a good sleep schedule like you, man. Unless you didn't want to wake up like that, then I'm sorry. Is that burns? Fuck! Everything is okay. I made Japanese curry. My mom would slap the shit out of me if I put things in the rice bowl. I'm a single lady. I can put whatever I want on my rice bowl. ¿Qué onda? It's a boxing anime. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. I don't really like boxing animes. I already said it. Holy shit, why are you so early? Don't look in stream for I want to see. Have you seen Made in Abyss? I have. That shit goes hard, bro. I put a candle for you. Okay, let me see. Did I step on like glass or something? Why is my foot hurting? Hold, I inspect. Oh, it looks fine. What the fuck? Why does my foot hurt, man? Time to eat. Alright, if you can sleep, try to go to sleep. ¿Qué onda, Sensei? Yeah, there's an art channel on my Discord if you want to post it. Totally welcome to do that. Dude, what the fuck? These thumbnails are dog shit. Did I just chew wood? I just chewed a bit of wood off my spoon. Wow, Nicole. You dumb bitch. Oh. Alright, are we posing again? Let's pose again. We're posing for the good thumbnail. I want to look pretty. It's called art. But I like wooden spoons. No, okay, wait. Okay. Hot! Nasa! ¿Qué tal to? Hola, Nico Hermosa. How's it going? Genki desu ka? I'm doing super well. How are you doing? I'm posing now.